Good afternoon again. This is Westminster Radio and Westminster Legal Firm. We are here in my office and we are going to speak about driving a car with a suspended license. First of all, having a license is a privilege. It is a contract that you and me sign when we turn 16 or 17 or whenever we get our driver's license. So what do you do with it? So right here, it says drive while license under suspension, section 53 of the Highway Traffic Act. So the person driving the car was pulled over, and when his license was checked by the police, it was suspended. So whenever you are getting a drive under suspension, no insurance, fleeing from the scene of an accident, it is a summons. Summons means that the matter is serious and they want you to come to court and understand the charges and explain why were you driving the car without insurance or driving the car under suspension. So right here is a summons. You can see it's a yellow summons, and it says summons, and I cannot show all of the information, but when the person was charged with driving no insurance or driving with no proper license, the officer gives you the time and the date to appear in court on site when you're getting your summons. So this person has taken the initiative also of getting his disclosure. Disclosure is the police report or evidence that is used against you in court of law. So what do you do now? Now the problem is you are driving the car and you got pulled over, you got a summons or a citation for driving the car under suspension. What do you do now? So you have few options. Number one, in Kitchener, Waterloo, and Ontario, you can go to the prosecutor. There is always a resolution meeting. Resolution meeting means you go to the prosecutor, you speak with him in a room just like this, and you discuss what can be done. Now, I must advise you, if you have been pulled over too many times and you have been given too many drive under suspension citations, your chances of getting something lower is not there anymore. So this person, according to the record here, never been suspended before, and they wanted for me to find out what they can do. So I went to the court, spoke to the prosecutor a few times in my resolution meeting, and we came to a conclusion that he should be charged of a lesser crime or lesser offense, which is drive with no license. It does not have any demerit points, but it has a substantial amount of fine, which is I think $500 in Kitchener Waterloo Court. So that is what we have done so far. We are not going for a trial because this person agreed in the report that he believed his license was suspended. So this is important to understand. Like on your summons, it says summons to the defendant. There's the time and the date, your name, the place where it occurred, the charge, the section, the information of which and where you should attend the court, the date it was issued, and your driver's information, license plate and all that, or any conditions. There was no conditions on this license. So that is how you can deal with your drive under suspension, section 53 of the Ontario Highway Traffic Act. And will there be problem with your insurance? Maybe, possible. However, if you need further information, you can give me a call, 519-616-9050, or you can visit my other channels and get more information. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.